Anonymous job posts. Do you have a job, a contract, or a project that you want to post and you don't want your internal people seeing it? AutomateAmerica.com is the only job board where you can do that. Post your contracts, your jobs, and your project work for free today on AutomateAmerica.com. For any reason, you don't want your internal people to know about it. Whether you're hiring for the same position as theirs for more money, or you just don't want them to know that you're possibly replacing them and you want to see what's out there. On Automate America, you can post your jobs anonymously. They will show as jobs for Automate America. It's completely anonymous. This is a great offering that you can't find on ZipRecruiter, Indeed, or Monster. AutomateAmerica.com is the only place where you can do anonymous job posts, contracts, and project